Are you stuck in an infinite loop? If you forget to include a condition that stops the code when it is met, your program will keep executing forever. Here we can see an example of an infinite while loop that is pretty much asking us to answer this question. What does the internet consists of? And after we write an answer, it will just continue asking us the same question over and over because we didn't include a condition that will stop the program from running forever. In order to stop the program from running forever, we can use a break. Once the break executes, you get out of the loop. We can do so by including an if statement inside our while loop. For example, here we're going to write if internet equals memes, please break, meaning that you will get out of the loop. So if we write memes, it won't send us out and print you are full of knowledge. Continue tells you to stop at that point and sends you back to the beginning. In this example, we are going to add another if statement that will say if internet equals to no answer, please print nothing followed by a question mark and a sad face. And then we tell it to continue, so it will send us back to the beginning of our program. And remember that the difference between break and continue is that break sends you out of the loop and continue to the beginning of the loop. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please press the like button and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye!